Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a Rednote account and how you can fix Rednote sometimes not sending code or the Rednote app not working. Now, the Rednote app has been known to have some problems with code and verification, especially with phone numbers, right? And it seems like it's more rampant as well if you have an iPhone and not an Android. And I think it'll be even more worse if you live somewhere out of Asia or somewhere in Europe or in the USA, right? But of course, there is a way to fix this. So if I press log in here, and instead of logging in with a phone number, we're not going to do that. And instead, we're going to log in with either Facebook or Google. This way, by logging into either of them, we won't need to do a verification because it's already done by Google or Facebook themselves. So for example, if I log in with Google here, let me just press Google, and then an account will come up. I'm just going to pick my account here. Now let's wait for it to log in. If you see, there you go. Now we've logged in, my account is made, and we can use the Rednote app however we want. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.